Good morning, boys. We're going back. We're doing mathematics 1. Now we were doing place value. We are looking at the place value of a number based on its position in a number. Today we're going to be looking at the value of the number. All right? We were looking at the place value before. We're now looking at the value. So let's review what we did. We have 1,489. The 4 is in the hundredths position, right? In the hundred place value position. We have 86,986. The 6 is in the thousand position. We have 10,090. The 9 is in the tens position. What we're looking at now is the value. What is the value? How do we find that? What is the value of the underlying digit? In order to write the value, we must maintain what position. If it's in the first, if it's in the second, if it's in the third position. So how do we maintain that position? By putting zeros to fill those positions. So this is 400. The value of this is 400. We put 2 zeros to fill up this spot here. 400. So the value of this 4 is 400. It's in the hundredth position, but the value is 400. Let's look at this one. It's in the thousand position. How many zeros have behind it? 1, 2, 3. You have to fill these 3 spaces, right? So the second number here, we have the 86,989. What's the value? The value of the 6. It is 6,000 because you have to maintain this position by putting these zeros. 1, 2, 3. So 6,000. See it here? 6,000. Now we move on to this one. We have the 9 is underlined. All right, let me make one change to this and we'll come back to it. So we're looking at this number here, 10,094. What is the value? Not the place position, but the place value, but the value. The place value is in the 10th position, but what's the value? How many zeros you have to put in here to maintain this spot? 1 0. So that 1 0 will make it what? That 1 0 with the 9 will make it 90. So it's in the 10th position, but the value of the 9 is 9 tenths, is 90. The value of the 6 is in the thousand position. 6 by 1,000 is 6,000. This is in the hundredth position. 4 by 100 is 400. All right? So let's look at our board here. We have 13,784. We have the 3, which is the place value for that 3 is 1,000. We have 3 zeros. So we write the value of it is 3,000. We come here. We have 8,470. All right. What's the place value is tens, but what is the value? The value is 7. Tens are 70. 70. You see, add the 0. Let's come here. We have 4,375. What is the value of the 3? It is 300. 3 is in the 100 position and it's 300, so it's 3 by 100 is 300. You see it? Put in the 0 here if you want to basically put in the zeros just to show what you're doing. Now, you're going to write down this. You're going to do this in your Mathematics 1 book. I'm going to send a picture of it, and you're going to do these in the same one you're going to do in the, not the place value, you're going to do in the value of the underlying digit. The value. We did place value before. Now we are doing the value.